Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Goofy Turtle 2023 Genuine Mag 544W3 4K Linux 4.9 box 1GB DDR4 RAM built-in dual 2.4G/5G Wi-Fi. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The device has a Amlogic S905Y4B chipset, 2T2RAC Wi-Fi module. It offers up to 100 megabits in 2.4 GHz mode and up to 550 megabits in 5 GHz mode. The device also has a built-in 1000 megabits Ethernet port. 1 GB DDR4 RAM. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.